Mr. Mush here. So, we've been learning about winter sports, and we're going to make a skier jumping off a ramp, a snow ramp right here. All right? So let's get to it. So, I already made the ramp. I just took some white clay, bended it, kind of made it like a sideways wonky L, all right, to show that the skier is going to be jumping and like doing a cool move. Now you can make whatever color your skier's suit is. I'm going with blues because I think it's like makes me think of like winter time. I'm just making like a little rectangle like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna make the skier me. You can make it whoever you want. Okay. So I'm gonna take some clay right here. And then I'm going to give myself a little nose. And then I'm gonna give myself ski goggles. Okay. Just like this. Making them a little bit flat, like this. Okay. I'm gonna give myself a hat. And you know what? I need a little bit more. Okay, just like this. I'm making a little pinch pot, and then I'm gonna stick it on top of my head, like this. Okay. And then I always wear a hat, a winter hat, like a beanie, but it's gotta have a puffball on top. And then of course my beard, okay. So I'm gonna, maybe a little less. Okay, so I smushed the beard. Now, you have a beard. First of all, I want to know if you do have a beard. Because I've never met a kid with a beard. I've met kids with mustaches, but never a beard. Okay. And then, you know what? I'm going to put the strap for my ski goggles. Because right now, it kind of feels like I'm wearing like a patch or something. Okay. And then I'm just connecting it like that. There we go. All right. So there's my head. Okay. And then I'm going to put my head on my body. And then I'm just going to make my arms. Okay. Just making coils. I'm going to take a little bit of the clay from my hands like this. And then I'm going to attach it. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other arm. Making coils, smush the bottom a little bit, take a little ball of the skin color. Now remember, make it look like you, okay? Like I have peachy skin, so I had to mix it. If you don't have peachy skin, figure out how to make your skin color. All right, so there's the arms. And then I'm gonna make the legs. But I'm gonna make the legs bent because when you're skiing, it's like you're bent over a little bit because you're trying to go a little bit faster. Okay, so I'm making the legs. And then I'm gonna give myself black boots. Okay, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna take some black. Roll out little like coils, like almost like oval, like egg shapes for my feet. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the skis, okay, to the bottom of my feet. Now I'm gonna do yellow for my skis. Now skis, they're long and flat, so I think this. And remember, you can do whatever colors you want, okay? I just chose these colors because I think they look good together. So there's my skis. Okay. I'm squeezing it out. It should be roughly the same length, and one side should be like pointy and sticking up a little bit. I forgot to do that on this one. Okay, and then I stick that to the bottom of the foot. Okay. All right, and then you're gonna be like, what about those ski poles, Mr. Mush? So we are gonna use toothpicks for them. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of the black and stick it through like this. And then I'm gonna stick it through my hand like this. Okay, as everything's falling off. So I got that. Okay, and I'm gonna have it like this. And then I'm gonna take another little bit. Stick it through my hand, just like this. Gotta straighten out my skis. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna do, where'd my last toothpick go? Oh well, got a million of them. The last thing I'm gonna do to make it look like I'm flying through the air, now this is up to you. Like, I could finish here and just put, you know, make it look like I'm going down like this, like that. But I want it to look like I'm flying up. So I'm gonna stick a toothpick like this. And then there you go. And then I'm jumping up over the ramp just like that. All right. So with that being said, I would love to see your skiers. So please make sure you send in a picture to the email address below or tag us on social media. All right, I'll see you at the next project. Peace.